Okay, so I have a list of possible things to work on for this vague calendar, and I think the first thing a person might do when they come to calendar is see how many events they have. I think, especially when you are a new user, I think it would be a bit silly if there was already an event in your calendar. So I think the default state for a calendar for a new user is no events. Um, so what I expect is a user to be able to say something like, show me my calendar, and they'll see no events in their calendar, and they'll be like, that makes sense, I haven't added any events. Okay, so the output would basically be, you have no events. We're going to take a step back, go in small incremental pieces. The first piece is going to be the basic hello world. I'm probably going to embarrass myself by not being able to get it done in 3.5 minutes. I'm going to do this test first, so let's start with RSpec, which is going to be my Ruby test framework. I'm going to do this in Ruby. That's what I do most days. It's obviously not the best language necessarily for this kind of project, but I'm going to start with my default, and if there appear to be problems with Ruby as the choice of language, then maybe there'll be something else that I can switch this project to. At least I'll learn something. So I've got Markdown. I'm going to make a directory called spec. In spec, I'm going to create a class called something called hello world spec.rb. Okay, let's have a look at hello world spec. Okay, I'm going to run it. No failures. So describe hello world. Okay. Rubocop's complaining about no frozen string literal. String literal true. Okay, let's see if we can get this done in 2 minutes. Okay, cool. Do I expect, sorry, I need to test it prints hello world. Expect hello world dot new dot call to okay, so the first thing is printing to output. I have to capture the output with standard out. The simpler one is to just return hello world. So I'm going to make an even simpler one. It's not even going to print it to the screen. To equal hello world. And let's run this test. Failure, uninitialized constant hello world. The easiest way to do that is to make it here, class hello world, and run. 1 minute left, come on, no call, def call, run, put empty method definition in 1 line, that's fine. Hello world, run, boom, okay. Okay, that was surprisingly stressful for trying to get hello world done in 3 minutes. I think this 5 minute limit is good. It's forcing me to make smaller and smaller pieces. I think the next step, I want this calendar to print to standard out, so I'm going to have to change this so that it prints to the output rather than just returning. But that's good for now. I hope you've seen my Ruby and RSpec. I'll probably move this to a separate file later when it's a bit more complex. Okay, see you later.